Video. I'm going to show you how to upload a video inside Google Drive from Google Workspace. Let me show you step by step how to do it. First thing you have to do is it gives us a new file, what's that word? File. I don't know what's that. I'm going to put video test. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put that in there so you can see our video is empty, is nothing. So I'm gonna upload the videos. What I want to upload, not the video about talk about YouTube links. No, I want to upload something else. I don't know what's that. And it should be upload a video. You have to be patient. So I have a brand new Google Workspace. It has Gmail. It's standing. It works on Zoom. So I'll try test. I just created a new account from Zoom to test it out to work. It is work. So is that my dad? No. Wait, is that my dad? No. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. Let's continue. I don't want to waste all the time. I want to just show you. Okay, so when you upload a video, first you need to do is and this is how, but first you need to do is make sure post a video from your video called test, and it's very easy. This is how to upload video from Google Drive. How to upload Google. This is how to upload video inside Google Drive from Google Workspace. Is that this helpful? Make sure to hit subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, good luck, and have a nice day. Make sure don't forget to subscribe to Raphael. Look and also welcome back to Raphael Arajo Online 05. I'm sorry I'm gonna post more videos everything YouTube. My name is Raphael. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.